Want to send an email later without forgetting? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an email in Gmail in just a few clicks. Go to Gmail in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Then click the Compose button to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and message, just like you normally would. Take your time and make sure everything is correct before scheduling. Now, instead of clicking the normal send button, look for the small arrow next to it. Click that arrow, then select Schedule Send. Gmail will show you a few suggested times. You can pick one of those or click Pick Date and Time to choose your own. Once you select your time, click Schedule Send. To check your scheduled emails, go to the left sidebar and click Scheduled. You'll see all emails waiting to be sent. You can also edit or cancel them anytime before they are sent. And that's how you schedule emails in Gmail. If this helped you, subscribe to IT Insider for more simple tech tutorials.